Moving on to AUDUSD and NZDUSD. Starting off with AU on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure towards the upside, and this is the current swing range. After liquidating this low, we've not seen that bullish momentum kick into the market yet. So now I'm anticipating this low over here that could be the fuel to start pushing price back up again. If not, and we don't get reaction from that low, the last liquidity low is positioned over here. So at any of these points, I'll just be monitoring price to see what will happen next. If we go down into the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are technically swing bearish with a break of structure over here on the 4-hour. Now, normally I'd want to see the 4-hour switch bullish before entering positions, but if we do that, we're already going to be at the daily swing high. So what I'd be looking for is just the supply zone, in control to fail. So what I'd be looking for if we took out this liquidity low over here is to see this high get taken, and then upon the retracement I would then be looking for the long in towards the upside to start targeting the weak swing high. So that's what I'll be looking for. I want to see a swipe of this low, maybe even see a little bit of price action in towards the upside, make a connection, create a new area of supply, take out the low, break the supply zone, create demand, and then I'm happy to long from there. If we now move on to NZDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure in towards the upside. This is our current swing range, and after liquidating this low over here, we then seen that bullish momentum come into the market. However, if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we have also now switched bearish. We've had a break over here and towards the upside, another break, and then we've had a break in towards the downside. So this is my current swing high, and this is my current swing low. Now, for the immediate term, following market structure, any liquidation of this high or this high here could be an opportunity to short. However, there is relative strength in NZD at the moment, and I would prefer the AU short. I think it looks like a better setup, and there's a clear liquidity target on the daily, whereas the NZD USD doesn't have that. So if you're going to short, I would stick to AU, but maybe look at a potential long at some point in the near future on NZD once we see a peace deal in Iran.